Promoting a product catalog. First of all, go to www.facebook.com/ads/manager/creation. In the conversion list, click on Promote a Product Catalog. With this objective, you'll create ads that automatically show products from your product catalog based on your target audience. Give your campaign a name and click on Continue. In the ad set, define your audience, budget, and schedule. First, choose the products you want to promote. Audiences are who you want to target to see your ads. For this campaign, audiences will be different than others. You'll choose from Viewed, Added to Cart but not purchased, Upsell products, Cross-sell products, and Custom combination. Read the description for all options and follow the steps to install your pixel. If you click on Show Advanced Options, you can add the locations of your audience. Add the countries of your audience you want to reach. You can select from everyone in this location, people who live in this location, people recently in this location, and people traveling in this location. Add their age, gender, and languages. Use detailed targeting to include or exclude people from this audience. Use connections if you want to add different connection types. This can be Facebook pages, apps, or events. Placements is where you choose where your ad will be shown. Click on Edit Placement. In Platforms, select Instagram. In Advanced Options, you can specify mobile devices and operating systems. In Budget and Schedule, define how much you'd like to spend and when you'd like your ads to appear. In Budget, select if you want to use a daily budget or a lifetime budget and the amount. In Schedule, select if you want to run your ad set continuously starting today or set a start and end date. Click on Show Advanced Options and customize the optimization for ad delivery. That can be link clicks, impressions, or conversion events. Then, edit your bid amount, when you get charged, ad scheduling, and delivery type. On the right, you'll see the audience definition. Once you finish giving your ad set a name, click on Continue. Now, create your ad. Here, you'll select media, text, or links to create one or multiple ads. For format, you have two options, carousel or single image. Read the description of each one and use the one you prefer. Be sure your Instagram account is connected. You can connect with your Facebook page, add text, add your website URL, headline, newsfeed link description, or a call to action button. Click on Show Advanced Options, and you'll see the display link, URL parameters, pixel tracking, and offline tracking. On your right, you'll see the ad preview. Finally, click on Place Order.